next segment of the book talk, we're going to be talking about what I like to call the implantation of wisdom. So you might be wondering, what is the implantation of wisdom? It's basically the meditation and the memorization of wisdom. Because in this next segment of the book talk, we're going to be talking about what I like to call the implantation of wisdom. So you might be wondering, what is the implantation of wisdom? It's basically the meditation and the memorization of wisdom. Because what she says, what Lady Wisdom says in Proverbs is that you should carve his initials into your heart, which basically means that you need to carve his words, his teachings into your heart. And the only way you can actually do that is if you listen to it, you memorize it, you study it, you exercise it. So that's the only way you're really going to get wise, is if you exercise the words of wisdom and put them in your heart. So that is what the implantation of wisdom is all about.
Do you have a crayon?
This is a little bit, my mom actually has coloring books, activities for people to use, so you can implant wisdom into your heart. So what you do is implant, imprint, employ. All right, so this right here, this is the implantation of a seed, okay? So this is a seed of Proverbs. And I'm going to read it real quick. It says, love forgets mistakes, nagging about them parts the best of friends. That is the seed of wisdom from Proverbs. So with this seed, we're going to implant the seed in the ground of our hearts, okay? So how we do that is we say the seed out loud to yourselves, and then we're going to use your coloring, and with every petal, you try to memorize the same. So it's a meditation and a memorization of the wisdom, so it goes into your heart. So with every petal, try to memorize. You're going to say the seed, which is the love Bible verse right here. You're going to say it to yourself. So everyone say it to yourself, like read it to yourself. Then after you say it to yourself, you color a petal. And while you're coloring the petal, because it takes a little while to color the petal, you try to memorize it. And you're not going to memorize it the first time you try to do it. But if you keep doing it, you'll realize that once you start coloring, you'll know the words that you're supposed to say.
Nagging about them parts the best of friends.
So exactly, and
You all look so good.
and it brings you back into a place, because the thing with coloring and stuff, like it allows the words to come in and actually mean something to you. So you just keep coloring, keep saying those seeds. Keep saying those seeds. But see, that's what you have to exercise it. Like, because if you keep doing it, especially if you do it at home, there'll be no pressure.
Right.
Because I feel like everybody's like, oh, I gotta hurry up. Yeah. But when you're at home, you can just do it at home. Say it, try to memorize it, and then it's an exercise. You get the word, you get the color, you get to relax. You have some nice things to do. Just nice and essential. Just relax.
And it's part of like a self-care too. And everyone's seed is because love is part of the fruit of the spirit, right? Love. And I'm looking for red for love. I know red is. No.
It's not red.
What's the closest?
I don't know.
I got pink.
No, I have pink too, but no one's. But
Come on, tell me.
I thought you got red right. That was the one you used. That's the red right there. That's very red.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Okay. And then it says, love forgets mistakes.
Nagging about them parts the best of friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you apply this? Can you
every
apply
day.
this in your life? Would you be able to apply this? Love forgets mistakes, but nagging about them parts the best.
So you see, this is a seed of wisdom, but if you buy the book, you'll get a whole garden of wisdom. Acres filled.
But it's a way for you to be able to, and in the packet, I provide not the crayons, but I actually give you the pencils, which is even more detailed. You can actually be relaxed doing that, and a sharpener and a eraser, just in case you feel that you're uncomfortable with that. You can erase it and start again and fix it. You know, but that's what this is, and I give you a nice kit so that you can put it. So this is your special kit. You put it by the side of your bed. You want to relax. You don't want to think about things. You just want to just be relaxed, so that you can just color and enjoy it. But what makes this special? What makes this special is because of the words, like what.
Yeah, it's basically about imprinting those words into your heart, carving those initials into your heart. That's exactly what they say in Proverbs. It's all about making sure you know wisdom. So, because there's a saying like forgive but don't forget. That's like a very popular saying, to forgive but not to forget. But if you look at the actual Bible verse here, it says love forgets mistakes. And a lot of people are like, yeah, I'll forgive you, but I won't forget.
Yeah.
But that's not right. That's not what the Bible says.
Forgive and don't forget.
That's not what the Bible says. The Bible says forgive mistakes. Forget mistakes.
Forget
You know what I mean?
mistakes, yes.
So that's another way that wisdom is different from Google, for instance. Because that's a little, they don't get that. They need to get it. And it needs to be in here so you can use it.
Yeah, and that's the good thing about implanting the word in your heart, so that when the situation arises, you can think twice. You don't have to react the way you used to act, like
just
you're
start
getting
nagging.
into that.
Yeah.
Didn't I tell you so?
Didn't you do that last time? But last time you did this and this and this and this. You're supposed to forgive and forget it.
So that is that. But now I have. Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome.
Thank
That was
you.
wonderful. Remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Be blessed.